Here's everything you need to grow a stunning YouTube channel in less than 2 minutes. Find a specific niche that you love doing. Narrow it down to a specific area within that niche. Then structure the process into following layers: idea, title, thumbnail, writing, hook, filming, editing, uploading, and promoting. Each video should trickle down through these layers. When generating ideas, write down all the video ideas and select the ones you would watch as a viewer. Selected ideas should be uncommon, but has a potential demand on YouTube. Use those ideas and write appealing titles. Title is probably the most important attribute of a video along with the thumbnail. Make it count. Use those ideas and titles to create videos. Before creating videos, first, write down the script. When writing the script, pay extra attention to the hook of the video. The hook in a YouTube video is the first thing that grabs a viewer's attention and keeps them interested in watching the video. Start the script with an attention-grabbing quote. Then identify the value that you are trying to bring to the audience from the video. All videos can be divided into 2 categories: education or entertainment. If it's educational, identify the value you will bring to the audience by identifying the problem that you are trying to solve, along with the solution. If it's entertainment, identify how you can grab the attention, emotions, and desires of the audience and apply that. Highlight on the key points. When it comes to filming, if you don't have a high-quality camera and a microphone, just take your mobile and start recording. Record several times, evaluate, improve, and re-record. Then edit the recording attractively. Remember, the quality of the audio is more important than the quality of the video. Create an eye-catching thumbnail. It's very important to have a thumbnail with the curiosity to appeal to the audience to click on. Upload the video, share, and publish it on other social media platforms. Follow this process consistently and upload videos regularly without giving up, even if the videos don't get many views at the start. Then subscribe and watch videos like this to gain more knowledge on what is required to grow and improve a YouTube channel.